Times Now has accessed this letter that the Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister has written to the LG, alleging that a land allocated for a school was given for BJP office. Pooja is joining us with more details. In fact, we'll just try and quickly go across to her. Meanwhile, the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, has also tweeted asking, as DDA chairman, does LG have the duty towards the kids of Delhi or towards the children of Delhi? Or is he expected to only please his political bosses? So it's first the Deputy Chief Minister who has written a letter questioning the LG on that change in decision, and then it's the Chief Minister himself who's taken to the social media to take on LG one more time. Pooja is back with us. Pooja, though land doesn't really come under the Delhi government, they're definitely questioning the LG over the decision.
Well, land and order is a subject that the Delhi government can take a call on, but most importantly, this letter that is written today on 3rd November by the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia to Najib Jung clearly alleges that he was very eager. Why was he so eager to give away land that was allotted for school and gave it away for BJP office? Now, we do know that the Bharatiya Janata Party already has a state office and, of course, the headquarters here in the national capital. But at DDU Marg, there was a certain land that was allotted for school. So Manish Sisodia alleging, as per this letter, that I have always noticed as Lieutenant Governor that you've been very eager and curious to know about education reforms, and we are attempting to find out more land for schools and institutions, educational institutions in Delhi. But therefore, when we were clearly working on that, why did you give away that portion of land which was in Deen Dayal Upadhyay Road? You gave it away for a BJP office work. Now we are waiting for a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party, but this 2-page letter is extremely scathing. It says that what made you take a call on a matter which was so clearly for people of Delhi, for their development, for the children of Delhi, and why did you, for political motives, gave it away for the ruling party at the centre? Back to you.
Pooja, when was this land transfer really carried out? Does the letter say that? When was this letter written? Have they got a response from LG yet?
Well, as of now, we are waiting from the LG office an official reaction. We do know that previously, when the Delhi government had raked up a similar matter with regard to the parole of O.P. Chautala, the Lieutenant Governor's office was extremely upset. They in fact held a press conference and they said that every day Delhi government is trying to rake up a new controversy to suit their personal and political motives, and the Lieutenant Governor is forced to react to that. They even said that the Delhi government is working out of constitutional framework. But today, even with Arvind Kejriwal getting into this opportunity, Arvind Kejriwal putting out via social media his statement stating that this is completely unacceptable. The Aam Aadmi Party is gearing up for one more attack against the Lieutenant Governor, stating land allotted for school allegedly given away to BJP office. Absolutely.